Hey folks, Adam here, Elite Demonstrations. I'm about to unleash this beast in my pool so I don't have to do any work. Now this is an incredible product by a really cool company. Easy power on right there. You've got your start and standby mode. And this thing is all controlled by an app. And I can set it on timer where it just comes on. I have it set to every Monday. Once a week, this guy is going. Now connecting to the app was super simple. All I did was turn it on, have the app, click pair, tie it to Wi-Fi. It did everything else. Super simple there. Now, unlike a lot of other pool vacuums, this one does have dual bins, purification tablets to keep your water absolutely perfect. It will climb walls. It has 3 different modes, various different modes, and it cleans up all the dirt. This thing is really, really powerful in regards to the ability to scrub and get your pool ultra clean. Now it has a big 10,000 mAh battery, and that is great for me. It just floats on the top of the pool because I don't trust running a power cable into my pool. Battery powered is the way to go. Easy to drop in, and you can control it. It's super fun too. Now, you don't have to manage it. You can let it do its own thing. When you first select it in the app, you can tell if you've got a square pool, an oval pool, etc., etc. The type of surface, you can really make it perfect for you. I love that. I love that it's good for all types of surfaces. I also, you know what I love? I love the fact that this thing has a bigger battery than the competition, more suction than the competition, a more powerful motor than the competition, and these cool treads. This thing is like a little tank. Called it my little beast, my little Aquaman right here. This thing is incredible. So folks, again, a great company. We've got the up close coming up here in a moment, the up close portion of the video giving you all the details, the box, the unbox, all that kind of stuff. But more importantly, we're going to show you some use and give you some product details. So let's go ahead and kick it off with a video about this fantastic product. All right, folks, so I absolutely love this, and I love the fact that it does really well with obstacles like drains and things of the sort. It has that 10,000 mAh floating battery with the max 180-minute runtime at 5,000 square feet of cleaning coverage. Yeah, it's got the stable Bluetooth connection, the consistent power supply. It's able to climb the wall because of its strong suction and superior cleaning, and it has that 180-minute of runtime. Yeah, it's also got 250-watt strong suction power, ultra fine filtration as well. This thing gets the smallest stuff, and oh my God, the filters were so dirty when we were done, you would not believe it. Maximum power of 250 watts, driven by 3 motors supported by strong suction. This can suck leaves up to 5.1 inches and crush stones up to 1.2 inches. The ultrafine debris can capture debris up to 180 to prevent it from flowing back into the pool and get rid of the microbes. It's got 4 cleaning modes. I said 3 earlier, but it's got 4. It's got 3 automated and then the 1 manual, so 4 total. Overall manual mode. It's really fantastic. Users can choose the best cleaning method, wall modes for only the walls, for the floors, etc. This thing is a really great and powerful vacuum. This feature makes the Zima Pro ideal to clean all types of pools. It's especially useful for users who have irregular pools. This type of pool usually has hard to clean areas and will be able to get them all. Yeah. Superior wall climbing too. It supports getting up those walls and cleaning. Really fantastic. Other pool vacuums can't do that because they're smaller vacuum batteries. It's able to use its 250-watt motor driven, 3 motors actually. This has a brushless motor, which means that it's going to be better on energy and those batteries are going to last longer. And the waterline cleaning is only available on your high-end pool vacuums, and this one does it. The Smart App Control has 3 features: mode selection, remote control, and will continually clean. Yeah, this is fantastic. I love setting the timer on it too. That's so cool. The path planning function, as the industry's first pool robot cleaner to implement ultrasonic radar, this product automatically sets a suitable route according to the shape of and terrain of your pool. The route clean is fantastic. It's hard to show that on video, but boy, it will zig and zag and do great work. It's the first pool vacuum that has path planning function, water purification packets, which are going to get rid of unpleasant odors and things of the sort. It's carbon activated, and it's a great purification process. Obstacle avoidance, yeah, and it'll surmount the obstacles, that's right, up to 5 centimeters automatically. Avoid them and continue to clean. Yeah, move steadily. It's fantastic. Auto parking, 10%. When the battery drops to 10% or below, it's going to go ahead and park for you. You can tell it to lift in the app. It'll climb up to the water line, and then you can just pull it out. That's really fun. That was harder for me to film, but the fact that you can just pull this thing out is fantastic. You don't have to get wet. Setting up the app schedule is easy. I did it with the once a week setup, and it's a user-friendly design with the dual 6.5 liter baskets. Allows you to clean more stuff, those larger baskets and duals. The first time I've seen that. So go ahead and check it out. You won't be disappointed. It's a fantastic vacuum. Now I'm going to go ahead and tell you even more about it, and stick around. I also want to note that this has ultrasonic radar navigation technology, meaning that it has incredible path planning to make sure it doesn't miss an inch of your pool. A lot of these things just bounce off the walls and go whatever direction nature carries them. This actually systematically cleans your pool, hitting every square inch as quickly as possible, making it a much more advanced robot pool vacuum. All right, folks, I'm going to go ahead and start cleaning on the app. You can select 3 of the main modes, which is overall, floor, and wall. That's automated. And then the 4th mode, the additional mode, is manual. And so you can do the floors, the walls, and you can do the time, and whether it's 1, 2, 4 hours, auto, etc. I love the auto mode because you can click start now, rotate your phone, and then you can actually control the device. You can put it in turbo mode. You can adjust the light to even have disco light, deep clean, etc. And that is just a fun aspect to this device. You can move your product left and right and really start to clean your pool. And I absolutely love that. And don't forget that deep clean mode, and of course that turbo mode. Now right now I'm having it drive up the walls to see me, which I think is a pretty cool option. And this is nice that I'm getting all the way up the wall accordingly. All right, folks, another nice thing is that it'll dock itself right by the side of the pool. You can pull it out so easily, and it has that really strong handle. Now to clarify, there's 3 main modes plus the manual, so much cool stuff. It'll do the zigzags and do your pool exactly if you want. So many cool things. I kind of like using the manual, as you saw. It gets all the dirt. It's able to go over and or avoid those obstacles. That makes a difference, and that's what separates it from its competitors. So folks, I'm gonna ask you to stick around for the up close portion of the video, but if your question is, should you pick it up? The answer is heck yes. Now get to shopping. I'm Adam from Elite Demonstrations, where I only show you the best of the best, and this one is the All-Star. It's the best among all the peers. You're gonna love it, and it's got that big battery. So folks, if you're looking for a great pool vacuum, one that's going to clean out, it's got the dual dirt bins here on each side. Very easy to use, and it's gonna be like a remote control car that cleans your pool, but it also does it automatically. There's the top floating battery with the power, start, and the mode. Overall, floor only, and wall only. Only walls. All right, folks, if you're looking for something that's better than the rest, the best of the best, get it so you can forget the rest. This is the bee's knees. It's the cat's pajamas. It's the cat's meow. Goodbye, my friends.